I'm Jake. I'm the CEO and founder of PayModum. PayModum is a payments ISO. We're based in the UK and also Europe. We work with roughly about 130 plus partners globally in terms of payment partners. So we work from everyone from Visa and MasterCard to e-wallets to online bank payment options, and of course cryptocurrency with the likes of ForumPay. And we work with online merchants who are of course looking to accept payments from a global perspective. So where we add a lot of value is we speak with merchants who typically operate in more than 2 or 3 different countries or markets. So we actually started working with ForumPay roughly 2.5 years ago. One of the real sort of big benefits that of working with ForumPay is that they really do understand sort of cryptocurrency. And as we all know, one of the biggest benefits of cryptocurrency is it removes an awful lot of borders. And what I mean by that is it doesn't matter if the customer or player is based in Argentina, or they could be based in the US or the UK or Europe. They are able to make a payment basically directly from their wallet. So it's peer-to-peer. And the merchants themselves can effectively and directly accept payment from the player. So there's no Visa or MasterCard scheme, there's no intermediary bank. And this is one of the really big added value parts of crypto. Not only can you accept sort of borderless transactions, you're sort of free from a lot of those sort of financial services schemes that are sort of set up and are sort of heavily compliant, which sort of stop you from sort of making transactions if you are somebody from Argentina, or if you are someone from the US and you wish to make a payment to a European business. One of the other sort of major benefits of crypto is the sort of use case that it's far cheaper to actually accept cryptocurrency payments a lot of the time than compared to a lot of other payment methods. So if we're thinking about PayPal sort of as an e-wallet, and certainly even Visa and MasterCard domestically in the US and other countries, it's actually far cheaper to accept a cryptocurrency transaction than it is for a Visa or MasterCard transaction. And not everybody obviously knows that. So hopefully that gives you a bit of an insight into the world of crypto payments. So crypto has been growing not just year on year, but month on month. Primarily because, going back to what I was just saying, it sort of breaks down those borders. But also importantly, the major benefit to crypto is that the adoption rate in terms of the people that are purchasing crypto, it's becoming now more and more entrenched into their everyday lives. So cryptocurrency now is more widely accepted than ever. So there's more merchants accepting cryptocurrency, importantly. And then also there's more people that have partaken or purchased cryptocurrency, whether that's from a crypto exchange, or perhaps they've been, sent some crypto as a B2B transaction. A lot of these people now have become familiar with cryptocurrency and actually using it. Whereas if we go back sort of 4 or 5 years, sure, people have heard of Bitcoin, but they weren't necessarily using it. And I think that's the big difference between now and obviously 5 years ago. It's obviously the adoption, the merchant adoption of being able to accept cryptocurrency payments, but also the users as well getting more used to making transactions via cryptocurrency. Instead of having like 100 IQ plus type product, we want to have a product whereby a 21-year-old straight out of university with no experience in payments can pick up, take a look at, and start using almost immediately. We want to be those guys. We want to be a friendly B2B business that can actually serve our merchants and ultimately serve the people that are going to be using in terms of that actual user enablement, there's still a lot of merchants out there that have not been accepting crypto, whether it's their risk department or possibly, internal opinion. It's sort of our job to go out there and speak to them to see that change. Without having those conversations and without having dialogue around, obviously, cryptocurrency with our merchants, it's obviously going to be hard for more people to start accepting transactions. So it's really our job to sort of go out there, continue to make product improvements, and really identify really great use cases where cryptocurrency is going to benefit the merchant, but ultimately also the end customer as well. So 2024 is going to be a really big year for us. We recently launched our gateway product 2 months ago. So we've been busy integrating multiple partners there and obviously offering a number of sort of services through that gateway service. That's something that we're going to be continuing to sort of expand upon. So we have quite a clear direct strategy, certainly when it comes down to the commercial side of things, but also in other areas of the business, we're going to be investing a lot more into marketing and directly, speaking with our merchants in different ways, whether that be through sort of social channels, also sort of email campaigns, etc. Some of the more fun stuff, though, in terms of 2024, I have another company called Mazzato. Mazzato is going to be a payments orchestration platform that will enable merchants to have multiple different payment options, all enabled through one single direct integration. And importantly from that, we are sort of going after, shall we say, a few of the competitors in that space, as we believe we've got a really competitive offering that the merchants are actually absolutely going to love. We're so happy to be working with ForumPay. The partnership is really started to blossom. We're really looking forward to next year. If anyone wants to find out more, please get in contact